In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send money to anybody using the Coinbase app. But also, currently, you probably don't want to use this. So if you didn't know, Coinbase has a wallet separate from the Coinbase app. This is a crypto wallet, kind of like MetaMask. It allows you to store crypto and interact with the blockchain. It also has some integration features with Coinbase if you want. And they just launched a brand new feature that allows you to send money with this wallet app to anybody through any messaging app. So if I want to send $10 to someone through Instagram messages, I can. They just need to click the link and claim the money. This will take them through a process of setting up their own Coinbase wallet and claiming the $10. This seems amazing, but in reality, it's pretty far behind other payment and messaging apps. Let me show you why. Okay, so here we are on my Coinbase wallet. Let's just say, for example, I want to send $10 to somebody. First, I would need this $10 in my wallet to send to somebody. The best way to do that currently is USDC. So I'm going to tap this buy button. This is going to move me over to Coinbase, where I can choose what to purchase. Now I can tap USDC. If you don't know, USDC is basically a stable coin that's pegged to $1. And it's going to take me through a process to purchase this USDC for my wallet so that I can send it. So let's just say I want to buy $10 so I can send it to someone. Tap $10, tap preview buy, and here's our order details. So for this one, it's giving us $0 Coinbase fee, but $5.46 of a network fee. So I have to pay $15.46 to be able to send the $10. Over a 50% fee to be able to send this $10, which is crazy. It's not something that I recommend at this point. Let's go back again. You could say, oh, maybe you could send some of these other options like Dogecoin. Let's do the preview buy here. So if you don't use USDC, you're paying a 99-cent Coinbase fee. So now to send $10, the fee is a little less, but it's still over 10%. It's over an 11% fee, which is crazy for a modern payments app. And that's pretty much how it is with every cryptocurrency on here. So while this is a cool idea, it's cool technology, it works, it's one of those things that's gonna take time to evolve and improve and get better. And then maybe in a couple years, we can revisit this feature and see if it's operating with an acceptable fee for a modern payments app. In the meantime, we can use stuff like Cash App, Strike app, Venmo, and others to do instant free transactions. And you can learn more about all of these on my YouTube channel. And we'll keep an eye on this Coinbase wallet and see where it goes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.